everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. John here. I think we're kind of done, almost done. I'll get some running footage of this here in a little while, but I got the motors in, got the receiver, it's in the receiver box. I like this receiver box that has the connectors on the outside, just an extension. That's pretty nice. I did get the front clips put on there. Got these on the back. I'm waiting for some M2.5 or 2.5 millimeter E-clips to do this the right way. I got some hex extensions on all the wheels. The ones I had wouldn't work. They're brass. Nothing fancy. ESC's mounted up. It's all stock electronics, so it is stock electronics. I have that servo in it. That's what came in it. It's not a stock Redcat servo, but I have powered it on, and it does, everything runs and it steers, so that's the main thing. I really like these wheels. With the hex extensions though, I can't get the center hub on, but that's kind of iffy anyways. But it cleaned up great. I don't know if I can grab the body and get it put on. With it, I might have to do, yeah. So that's it for now. I will get some running video and it'll be at the end of this video, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. I might add some different stickers, maybe a roof rack, I'm not sure. But I'll get some running footage and then we'll be back. Alright everybody, we're taking it out for its maiden run. So we will see how it does. Sorry for the poor audio quality. Again, forgot my microphone. So we'll be back after we do some running footage. Good morning. Hi everybody, we're back from our little adventure. Some good video footage. I wasn't too hard on it, I don't think, but it did really well. It's not really a super crawler or anything like that. I did get in some mud. Took it out on 2 runs. The only problem I had is wheel hub or wheel. One of my wheel nuts came loose. Not a big deal, and my servo horn came unscrewed. But that's all easy fixes. But it did get muddy. It did perform better than I thought. I did change out my desert lizards on the second run so I could use those on something else. And I just put the stock shocks back on, which they did okay for what it is. But I was really happy with how this build turned out. I appreciate everybody watching the videos um, and subscribing to the channel. I really like all my followers and appreciate all the support that I can get. It's a fun hobby. If you have any questions about a Gen 8, I've basically built this one, tore it down and built it from the ground up. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all those things. And definitely comment with how you think this build turned out. But that's it for today. In the meantime, everybody stay safe.